Oh, she's been a minute. Been so busy with other different things. I've been slacking on the cars, so I'm terrible. I bestn't. This will be a good area right here to set up a tire machine. Huh? Then we can just do them as they come. Way more better. But I gotta get this back wall figured out here. Not 100% sure how I'm gonna do it. I got an idea, but I got this like super strut stuff. Stupid strut, they call it. And it's like this. It's got holes in it, so I was just gonna like make a strut here, weld all those. Yeah, I think I got enough. How many do I got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So I need 20. I need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then a bunch of, yeah, that's probably what I'll do. And then I'll just weld little ends on it that will like, you know, a little tab with a hole in it that I can weld to the end of the stupid truss, and then just thread a nut, because there's like, I'll zoom in for you. We got, you know, we got a little bit of tread sticking out, so we should be able to catch that, the end of that bolt all the way, you know, not all the way, but every 2 feet. Every 2 feet, and then I got my metals up here already. Couple old tires on what to keep her down, but I just got the kitties out of this one, got the tires off of this one, straightened out my wood blocks, dead. But yeah, that'd probably be a really good place for the tire machine, and then, you know, big bang boom, we could friggin' separate on the aluminoids when they come. It only takes a few minutes to do one car, but it takes all day to do a ton of cars, so that's the theory anyway. Okay, I go. Hopefully I can get some work done on the shop this afternoon. That'd be wonderful. Well, they fixed it. That's good of them. Probably sick of me driving into oncoming traffic. Loving. Oh, she's been a minute, boys. She's been a minute. $17,600. Tripped me out. It said 220 for a second. I was like, holy f, I'll be turning around. What happened? Oh. Dogram. 11,440. Good Lord. What's that?
It's a Timmy's card.
Scores. Thank you. Get these Tim Hortons cards and use them as leverage for other shit that I need. Friggin' scores. Scores. Buddy come dropped off a back door for Crawdad's truck. I just noticed the glass is broke. Oh well. It's power doors anyway, so I'll have to change all the guts out of it. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. New one. Got another door too, but whatever. The more the merrier words, eh? The more the friggin' merrier words. But I'm gonna cinch that fucking screw in on the roof here. Got a hold of the garage door deck finally. So hopefully within a week or so we'll have the garage doors in. But I gotta get at least half the ceiling done before that, because the hangers and whatnot for the garage doors, you know what I mean? But in other words, I'll torpedo this outside. We'll get that screw cinched up. I gotta pull all this sheet metals off so as I can get to that outer rim for the friggin' staple the plastics on and whatnot. Which one it is. 1, 2, 3. Not even remotely cinched down. Yeah. I apologize. I apologize for wanting my friggin' shit cinched down. Yeah, I'll just climb up on the roof after paying you to do it. Is that cool? Is that cool if I do it instead? Holy fuck, I don't like this at all. Yeah, not my favorite, no. Right on, man. Feels good to have all the screws screwed in, you know what I mean? I don't know why you would only put some of them in halfway, but whatever. I'm not a professional, so I would really like to know where my pry bar is. It was my good one, and probably left it where somebody could scent it, and they fucking walked off with it. Oh, there it is right there. False alarm, boys. Oh, Jack. Look at the moisture in the wall. Insulation is just soaked. Weird. No good. Some of these nails were not very stuck in there either. Huh. When they did their cross secateurs, they split them every which word. That ain't no good. You need to notch into the stovepipe like I did. Hmm? Like I did. Aye. Well, I got some of the cappings on the inside done anyways. Son of a bitch. What time is it? It's only 5:52. It's only 5:50. It feels like 10 o'clock. Oh, good Lord. What good grief even. Oh, but yeah. Lockety splockins. Got to do the outside. I'll just do the outside trims tomorrow. And then, yeah, we'll be ready to start putting ceiling sheets on. It'll be awesome. Freaking awesome. Yeah. Got under curtains tomorrow though too, so yeah, man.